This video is going to review how to set up your paper in APA style. In your course, there is a template in Microsoft Word that you can download, save to your computer, and then use and edit as needed with many of the required elements already there for you. But just to review some of the basics. So every APA style paper needs to have a page number in the upper right-hand corner, and you will have your title centered in bold font. Everything will be set to double spacing, and then you need to have this block of information on your title page. You can also click the link in the comments by holding down Control key and clicking the link, and that will take you to the APA's website where they have additional resources for you. As you continue on, you can see that I have typed this up with very specific directions on how to complete each of the actions that need to be completed. So I chose to use the comment feature so that you could also see how to get your feedback when I put comments on your documents. Okay, so this gives you step-by-step instructions for setting up your papers in APA format, including how to insert page numbers, what fonts you need, how to set up your double spacing, how to do your margins, all of that with line spacing, all of just the general setup. Then it walks you through how to do your title page with the proper amount of spacing, with the proper alignment, and each of the elements that needs to be on the title page as we saw at the beginning. Continuing on, then it discusses pages of text. So this would be once you are ready to actually start typing your paper. It talks about headers and how we format different levels of headers. And then after that, we get into the overview of the use of source material, in-text citations, and reference entries. And so this is going to remind you of APA style requirements that the vast majority of your source material be paraphrased. And then a reminder that all source material, whether it's paraphrased or quoted, must be cited. And then it gives you a definition of common knowledge where you do not have to add a citation. Likewise, it also goes into the review of either narrative or parenthetical citations. Okay, and then finally, what to do if you are citing a direct quote. And then just a reminder that not everything has an author. So there's lots of resources in D2L to help you with your citation. Again, this APA template paper is just a quick overview to give you some of those reminders. Once it goes through in-text citation, it also gives you a couple of reminders about your references page at the end of your essay and how your references and citations must match. Then we have our conclusion template and our references template with a proper hanging indent. So feel free to download this report and you can use it as a template. Now, should you want to remove the comments, let me just show you how to do that real quick. All you need to do is go up here to the search bar, type in comments, and then you can see action where you can delete the selected comment. And once you go through and delete all of the comments that are on this template, this little margin will go away and you'll have a regular traditional setup. Okay, so make sure you talk to me if you have any questions, but I hope this template helps you. Thank you.